Just found a flat spot over there to camp out at last night. It's just outside of Pinmar Park. But anyway, it's not as early as yesterday, but it is 8:30, and we're up and hiking. The sun's been up for about an hour and a half, probably. Anyway, again, it's a chilly morning. Probably in the low 40s, but no wind, which is great. But anyway, in Maryland, gonna try and get through this state in 2 days. It's like 42 miles, I think. Anyway, trying to get there on Monday, and we'll see how everything goes. Should have a pretty interesting day. Won't have a whole lot of sights for the first part, but the second part should be really awesome. Anyway, I'll see you down the trail. I wanted to video some of Maryland, because not a whole lot of people talk about it, but the trail is down that way. And I wanted to just show, because not a lot of people, I don't think, I mean, from my experiences on the AT, not a whole lot of people show Maryland. But there's a lot of rocks. So we went from Pennsylvania being flat to back to some rocks, but that's okay. Here's a brand new shelter. What's this one called? Oh gosh. Oh, we're so loopy. It's 10:50 in the morning, and we've already hiked, I don't know, 5 miles. And we got to the Raven Rock shelter. That's what this one was called. Nice fire pit. But there's a whole lot of people here. There's a privy back there. And really awesome. You can't even see this. I don't even know why I'm trying. If I walk up this way, and I try and get it without the sun, you still can't see it. Well, anyway, there is cords here, and they go up to pulleys, and it's really cool because then you can just attach your food and use the little black handles there to lift your food up into the air, and no bears or raccoons. It's been fun this morning. And seriously, I just wanted to make a video that was pretty funny this morning, because it actually shows like what real trail life is like. You lose your mind out here a little bit, and then you regain it once you get into civilization. Anyway, having fun in Maryland. Gonna try and get half of the state done today, and I'll be out of it. Tomorrow maybe? I don't know. Question mark? We got a lot of miles to cover, so I'll update you on see how far we get. And I'm a knucklehead. I have short sleeves on and no pants. And it's like 40-something degrees right now. And I just sat at a shelter for, I don't know. I'm gonna say 25 minutes. And it's cold. It's very cold. I can't feel my fingers. So anyway, the trail continues. Just walking through a unexpected field. I was not, I don't know, I didn't know that we were going to be walking through one. But I miss them, kind of miss the fields of Pennsylvania. It was kind of cool. But anyway, we thought we had done a lot of miles this morning, but in actuality we have not. We miscalculated. So I think right now, oh gosh, I don't even know how many miles we've done. It's not, I don't even know what to say. It's just not as much as we thought, but it's a decent amount. It's just, it's there. It's just a number. But anyway, gonna get as far as we can today, as far as we want to go, and then we'll stop, and then we'll get to Harper's Ferry sometime. But anyway, about to cross the road and go back into the green tunnel. So I'll see y'all later. Just took a little break a little while ago, just right on trail. Probably gonna do, I think 5 or 5.5 more miles, I can't remember, to Pine Knob Shelter. But just wanted to show a little bit of what Maryland's looking like. This hasn't been it all day, but you know, I thought I'd show a little bit of the rocks. The path through Maryland has been pretty decent. It's kind of like southern Pennsylvania, where it's just flat and wide for a little bit, and then you'll get some rocks here and there like that, and then you'll end up getting like this again, you know, and then you'll get some more rocks. But today's been really up and down. We've gone up hills to the top of ridges and kept going, you know, and I don't know, it's just been a lot of up and down, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it'd be kind of flat like southern PA, but anyway, been pretty awesome day. It kind of warmed up a little bit, so happy about that. And there's not a whole lot else going on. Alright y'all, so we ended today with a 17-mile day over here at the Pine Knob Shelter. There's a tent site down there that we're using. But the spring is that way. It's a pipe spring. Literally it's trickling right now. It doesn't seem like they've got a whole lot of rain in the past couple days or weeks. I mean, it's been very dry here, but thank goodness we haven't had a rainy day to hike in a while. Knock on wood. Jeez, I don't want to do it if it's going to be this cold. But there's the shelter. Kind of got my gear all yard sailed out. But anyway, making dinner. I have a MSR stove that I've been using, but I got a cheesy bacon macaroni that I'm making. But for us, we put the water in there and turn the stove on, right? Then we dump the water into one of the freezer bags like that. and have the pasta and everything already in there, and then we let it sit in a insulated bag that we've made. Got some duct tape around the edges so it just acts like a burner there. But yeah, after a little bit we pour some mashed potatoes in with our cheesy bacon macaroni just to thicken everything up. Potatoes, or instant potatoes, have been great for that. But anyway, just reading the trail logs of people that have passed through. Got the water filter there, we've been filtering water. But yeah, there goes some of my gear. And I think we're at mile marker, oh man, I think 11.6, I can't even think of, on this map, if it focuses. No, maybe not. Pine Knob Shelter is right there, and that's where we are. I'm going all the way down here. All the way down this entire map tomorrow to Harper's Ferry, which is way down there. Alright y'all, I'll see you tomorrow.